Are you one of the 68% of Americans who spend $500 or less on healthcare expenses each year? Wish you had more to show for the money you and your employer pay for your healthcare benefits? Take ownership of your healthcare funds and enjoy special tax breaks with a health savings account, or HSA. A health savings account is exactly what it sounds like. It's a savings account that employees use to pay for their own healthcare services. This includes medical, dental, vision, and prescriptions, all tax-free. Just like most other health insurance plans, both you and your employer can make contributions to your HSA. Here's where an HSA becomes different. As the employee, you own the HSA account and have ultimate control over the funds within it. If you change jobs or retire, you get to take your health savings account with you because it really is your money. What if you don't use all the money in your HSA by the end of the year? No problem. It simply stays in your HSA to be used for your own future healthcare expenses. With an HSA, you also enjoy triple tax savings. First, you get tax deductions when you contribute to your HSA. Then, you have tax-free earnings through investments. Finally, withdrawals for qualified healthcare expenses are also tax-free. With total ownership and incredible tax savings, health savings accounts put you in the driver's seat of your healthcare dollars.